Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Metanept token. Now I saw this token get listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap maybe about a week or two ago. And now I see that it's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting in 2 days on October 10th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free rewards, free crypto, free money, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Metanept token. NEPT is the ticker symbol for this token here. Now, if you want to get this token, trading opens on Mexc Global October 10th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So if you want to get this token, you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You can use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section October 10th, and then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So, yeah, October 10th, it gets listed on Mexc Global. Mexc Global is one of the best exchanges, in my opinion. If you want to find Metanept's Twitter, it is at Metanept, and they're actually verified on Twitter. They have the blue check mark. They have 19,600 Twitter followers. So they have contests, it looks like, on their Twitter. I could see this referral bonus contest going on. They're also talking about their new listing on Mexc Global. They show some characters here that they got in their metaverse project. You can check them out, little videos on their Twitter. And their webpage and Discord are also listed on their Twitter. Now, if you want to go over to their webpage, it is metanept.io. Over there, you could find their NFTs. What is Metanept? All their socials, like they have a TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel, Discord, all sorts of things. Team section. They even have their own dashboard, and they have a very lengthy white paper. It is a 43-page white paper. So it says our vision is to build an entirely new world for the next generation of communication, e-commerce, and entertainment. We want to create an open, social, and virtual space powered by blockchain technology where everyone can explore expansive environments, experience VR events, create games, and play them, and seamlessly monetize their experiences while immersing themselves in an alternate digital reality. With Metanept, we are creating an immersive, futuristic, multi-environment metaverse with distinctly varied experiences that members can access after they purchase specific NFTs. Beyond accessing these environments, members will have the ability to build atop of them, while also taking an active role in governance by participating in the Nept DAO. From a creator's point of view, members can design new NFT assets and maintain complete ownership over them. In order to establish a holistic, self-sustaining economy, all transactions within the metaverse are powered by the native Nept token that users can buy and earn through various activities on the platform. We are only in the first stages of this exciting new journey, and there is a lot more to come. We are constantly looking to expand our community as we build towards the future of Web3. So, Nept is an expansive 3D metaverse filled with exploration, discovery, and creation, having two different environments with distinctly different themes. The Nept Wild, a savage, arid world, and Nept Town, a futuristic Earth-like environment inhabited by native Neptunians, and Nept Evolution X. Users can access these environments by purchasing specific NFTs and will be represented in these environments buy their NFTs avatar native to these environments. Within Nept, NFT holders become citizens of Neptown or Nept Wild and part of a Nept economy. Users can also meet on the marketplace if they wish to share and monetize their creativity. The Nept token is the medium of exchange within the metaverse and is used to buy, sell, trade, and modify in-game assets. In addition, the Nept token is also used as a point of entry for the various areas of the metaverse. Example, for accessing games, virtual concerts and clubs, entertainment, investing in virtual real estate, mining for materials in game, paying other virtual players for services and social experiences. It is a digital currency for the virtual world. Nept is an interactive 3D universe with a freedom for users to explore different virtual worlds and communities while being able to monetize their experiences. In essence, the Nept metaverse can be described as a virtual hub for social interaction, gaming, and trading virtual assets within the Nept economy. In the Nept metaverse, however, there is no limit to what can be included. The metaverse provides a portal to connect various missions and adventures which can be embarked on alone or with others. For example, racing and exploration games among Nept Wild's Badlands, shooting games inside abandoned temples, spaceships to fly across Neptown, bases to be captured, defended, or used for supplies, etc. Games and interactive activities ranging from adventure, action, and education are planned to be included. Nept will constantly expand as new regions are made available to players. There can be multiple hubs in varying sizes across the Nept universe. The freedom to play as you choose creates a diverse and dynamic experience that is always interactive, allowing players to cooperate or compete for resources. You may set out on a quest on your own or team up with other players to use users to achieve goals for rewards, or perhaps even engage with players versus battles and activities to acquire what users have. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, this is super cool. It goes over Nept Wild and Neptown in more detail. Also their gallery and marketplace you could check out. Avatar section they have, Neptunians X, and then the Nept Evolution X. Their third release is going to be Altinept Generation X. Also got additional avatars, real estate, accessories for your avatars, social aspects, activities within the Nept universe, like they have rent land, buyer-owned land, seller trade empty and occupied land, buy and sell assets via marketplace, upload external assets, host contests and giveaways, hosting events, and land development. More activities include dual land ownership, staking, SDK, connecting your wallet, advertisements, community grants, DAO governance, metaverse world, create and publish wearables, content builder. This is like a very, long white paper. Token allocation. 36% goes to strategic market sale, 15% founders and teams, 8% marketing, 12% strategic reserve, 5% development, 15% foundation, 5% advisors, 2% giveaways, 2% reward pool. And yeah, I mean, lots of info on here. If you want to check out their white paper, they do have a lengthy roadmap and team section and all sorts of things on their white paper. You can find it at metanept.io. And also, this token is going to be listed on Mexc Global in 2 days. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Metanept? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.